50,000. Wow, acha. It has been 13 years journey from 2008 till today. We have not just achieving the numbers, but also maximize our service and products to benefit the community.
What we found is that people who work in Fujifilm have a different kind of approach, are very sincere, loyal, and their knowledge is also deep regarding the products that they sell. It's been wonderful dealing with Fujifilm, with the youngsters who come to meet me, with the service personnel who are willing to run at any time of the day or night to provide service and fix a breakdown, and also the senior management who are always willing to listen and then act. Thank you, Fujifilm, and all the very best in the coming years.
We are quite happy with the performance of Fuji packs. It is quite user friendly and there are new features which we appreciate. The service has been very good because we require an on-site person for taking care of small problems which have been taken care of.
The quality of images in Fuji mammography is, I find, it's best among all competitors available, and they have a really good network of their service providing to the setup.
I am very much delighted to know that 50,000 installation across the India done by the Fujifilm. We are very happy with the product and also the services they are providing for the last 10 years.
I was very happy to learn that Fujifilm has achieved a remarkable milestone of 50,000 installation nationwide. I congratulate each team member of Fujifilm for this achievement. We are very happy with Fujifilm products and the seamless, efficient service provided by the Fujifilm team members since 15 years. I wish each Fujifilm team member all the best for their future ventures and many more accolades to add on. Thank you.
The reason for going for Fuji CR system, not only that Fuji is the best company, then machine are the best.
Fuji provided us DR X-ray, mammogram and mobile DR also. And they have been working quite well, and we feel that we are getting the value of the cost we have spent for such equipment.
और जब हमने फ्यूजी का डीआर यूज किया, खासतौर से लॉन्ग एक्सरे, स्पाइन, लोअर लिम्ब के जो मेरठ और आसपास के वेस्टर्न यूपी में बूंद साबित हुए, उससे बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स को बहुत सारा बेनिफिट हुआ। इमेज क्वालिटी देख करके मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
We are very satisfied and closely associated with Fujifilm because of their strong durability, excellent image quality and outstanding service support.
Namaste and thanks a lot from bottom of my heart. With your love and affection, we are able to get more than 50,000 installation. We have installed our products from the remotest of remote areas of Leh and Ladakh to Northeast, Jharkhand, Bihar and metropolitan cities. We have got our 50,000th installation at Ma Dakshineshwara Digital X-ray and Diagnostic Center at Raghunathpura district, Jagatpur Singh, Odisha. Thank you, Dr. Saab, for giving us this installation and opportunity to serve you. We look forward to improve our services with your continuous feedback, and we look forward to provide and improve the infrastructure in India for providing early diagnosis of the cancers with our CT, MRI, full-field digital mammography and healthcare IT products for teleradiology purposes.
Our machines are not just equipment, but are the solutions in the patient's life to make their lives better during various stages of their medical treatment. Thank you for being a part of Fujifilm family. We never stop challenging and innovating. Thank you.